and welcome to our home. Come in and join me and I will give you a complete setup of our home automation for the entire house. My name is Cindy and I'm going to give you a tour of our Aqara Smart Home as I show you all the Aqara devices installed and how they are used. We have the Aqara Hub M2 installed, which controls everything you will see by Zigbee. I will go over the hub in a minute, but first, let's start the tour. I will start in the foyer and I have the G2H camera monitoring my front door. This just adds an extra layer of security to track anyone who comes through. It captures the video and audio locally to the SD card. Here is a video clip and you can have the camera alert you on motion or an abnormal sound. Alright, so we're just testing my camera now. My audio is coming from here. Let me know how it sounds, how it looks. I also installed a G2H camera in the garage. Just a note, the camera is Wi-Fi, but everything you need to connect it will be Zigbee. It is 1080p with night vision and two-way audio. There's also a built-in hub which has a siren for home security. So you don't need to purchase an additional hub if you already have one of these cameras. It is also a great device to monitor your belongings. Alright everyone, I am back in the foyer and I connected the Aqara door window sensor to the front door. And when the door is opened at nighttime, it can automatically turn on my foyer light. This is perfect for coming home in the middle of the night. It can also trigger my Amazon Echo to say, the front door is open at all hours of the day. Let's test that out. The front door is open. Right on cue. Now this will also be a part of my Aqara alarm system. I also put a door window sensor on the rear patio sliding door. This will only be used for the alarm system. I discussed how that works when I reviewed the Hub M2 in a detailed separate video. Subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified for all the future Aqara videos I create. I have 3 door window sensors, so I put my last one on the entrance to the garage. It will also trigger my Amazon Echo to say, the garage door entrance is open at all hours of the day. Let's test that. The garage door entrance is open. Perfect. And of course, it will also be used for the alarm system. I will say Aqara is an inexpensive solution to get started. Aqara allows you to expand your smart home slowly over time as your needs see fit. This vibration sensor by Aqara can be put on your windows, like so, to detect if someone opens your window or breaks your glass. It comes with double-sided adhesive tape to easily be applied. You can also put it in a jewelry box or a drawer to detect if someone is messing around with your stuff. Once it detects vibration or movement, it can alert your phone. Let's test it out. Someone is touching your jewelry. This could also be great if you had expensive artwork or if you wanted to know if someone is moving something. Just a reminder, all of these devices are Zigbee and not Wi-Fi. In the bedroom ensuite, we installed this Aqara Smart Switch. Now, the top switch is for the shower light and the bottom switch is for the shower fan. An interesting automation I enabled for the fan switch is if it turns on, it will automatically turn back off after 30 minutes. Now, this is a great way to save energy as a lot of people forget to turn the fan off after they shower or use the washroom. Here is the Aqara motion sensor. As soon as it detects motion in the evening, it automatically turns on the shower light. Sometimes in the middle of the night, you don't want super bright lights on. So this shower light is perfect for just that. You can see where you are going without being blinded. And the Aqara app, I have it to, if motion is detected between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., then turn on the ensuite light. I have another motion sensor in the hallway. Look at how tiny and cute it is. And like all their devices, it requires an Aqara Hub, or the G2H camera, which has one built in. Whenever unexpected motion is detected, the Aqara motion sensor will send an alert to your phone and can trigger other connected devices, such as the Aqara Smart Plug, or it can activate the local alarm sound on the Aqara Hub. The reason I put the motion sensor in the hallway is for the Aqara alarm system. It can catch anyone coming in and going up those stairs. The range is 22 feet and it has a 170-degree viewing angle. It is compatible with Apple HomeKit and Alexa. As you can see, I also put a motion sensor in the basement. If anyone tries to break in through one of the windows, the motion will trigger and my alarm will go off, which will also alert my phone. The Aqara water leak sensor also requires an Aqara Hub. Whenever the water leak sensor detects water, it can send an alert to your phone and activate the local alarm on the Aqara Hub to prevent leaks and flooding. The slim design allows you to put anywhere. I'm going to put it right here. That way, should any dripping or leaking happen, it will catch that. Right now, it's under the sink. I will also put a water leak sensor under the kitchen sink. But first, let's test it out, as I will put it in some water here. So here is the sensor, and I'm just going to immerse it in some water, and let's see what happens. Oh, wow. So as you can see here on my phone, it says that there is a kitchen water leak sensor. My home leak is detected, triggered automation kitchen leak. So very quick turnaround, alerting you to the dangers. I have 3 Aqara water leak sensors, and I put one of them right here by the furnace, as you can see. If it detects water, it will send an alert to my phone and activate the local alarm on the Aqara Hub. The Aqara Smart Plug is also Zigbee and comes with energy monitoring and overload protection. I have it outside to control my gazebo fan when it's a hot summer day. All right, so now we are here outside in the gazebo, and I want to test the switch outside. So let us check. Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Ah, there we go. I'm telling you, Alexa is great at turning on the fan. Here's the home screen in the app, and I will show you all the devices I have connected. And as you can see here, we have 2 pinned right to the main screen, which is the garage camera and the foyer camera. If I click on accessories, I have the foyer camera. I have the front door sensor, the hallway motion sensor, the washroom motion, the washroom wall switch, the water leak sensor in the washroom, the jewelry vibration sensor, as well as a motion sensor in the basement, a water leak sensor in the basement, a water leak sensor in the kitchen, the patio door sensor, and the Aqara Hub 2, which is right here. We also have the garage camera, garage door sensor, and the gazebo fans. We have 15 total devices. Now that you've seen all the Aqara Smart products on my tour, I will say that they are all connected to this Hub M2, which has a smart hub that you can expand up to 128 devices easily over time. Now this Aqara Hub M2 is a control center and is also a smart bridge compatible with Apple HomeKit. It supports Wi-Fi or Ethernet network access and interconnects with Zigbee devices. You can also set up automations directly in the app, or you can create scenes like a good night scene to turn everything off when you go to sleep, or a good morning scene to start your day off right with your coffee and get you ready for the day. I released a dedicated video on this smart hub, so click below to see it and subscribe to see more future videos on the Aqara product line. Those are the main devices for the Aqara Smart Home solution that you can easily expand over time. To see more videos on Aqara products, subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified. We put the links down below to all the Aqara products to get the latest pricing and information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please share it with someone. You can see our latest videos right here on the side. Subscribe to see more videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Get our swag, and don't forget to check out our website at homeautomationx.com. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed my tour.